Hi everybody, welcome back to another importing from China video training. Today's video is all about how to go about paying Chinese factories, and I'm here on the Great Wall, which is why I'm inspired to make this video. And also, you know, paying Chinese factories is a hot question, a hot topic that we get a lot from our subscribers. So how do you actually go about paying Chinese factories? Well, there's a couple of ways. There's things called letters of credit, which you can basically you talk to the Chinese manufacturer or supplier about. So letters of credit, you can do that. You can also do things like bank transfers. They're probably the easiest. Now, if you're new to this, what I would probably recommend you do is you contact a foreign exchange office or a business, and we've got heaps of contacts to give you fantastic rates. If you go to the bank, for example, there's more likely you're paying through the teeth. So what these foreign exchange agencies do is they'll take your money. Let's say, for example, it was in Australian dollars. They'll take your money, $10,000 Australian. They'll convert it to the Chinese yuan or the renminbi, and they'll put it into a Chinese bank account. And basically, what that does, it allows you to get a good rate to start off with, but also it allows you to pay the factory with confidence to ensure that they do get the money. Okay, so that's why it's very important. So that's just two top ways I would recommend. A couple other quick ways, some Western Union. Whenever someone says Western Union, I would just walk away. Literally, I would walk away from the deal, because there's more likely, a lot of people in Alibaba or sites like Global Sources, they'll say pay us via Western Union, and this is the only way we will accept payments. They are most likely going to be scammers. So please do not pay them via this payment method, okay? Letters of credit is a good way. Usually that's for bigger orders. But bank transfers, anywhere up from $50, you can actually use these foreign exchange services. And please contact us, because we've organized, in the last 3 years, we've organized a lot of contacts that allow you to use our services and get awesome rates, all right? And not only that, we show you how to go about importing from China in the first place. So do let us know if you require that service. But apart from that, thanks for watching, guys. I'll look forward to meeting you very soon.